My name is Harshit Choubey, and this is my FD assignment given by Gnani.ai. So this was the context and the problem statement we have been given that we have to prepare a agentic bot on Inya platform. So for this, I have prepared the backend of the project with using FastAPI and all it handles all the cases to fetch the user from the borrower. I have also prepared a database in MongoDB where the borrower details is there, which need to be filled by ourselves. So all the borrower details will be there, how much AMI amount and the due date. And then the call logs will be there. After the call is completed, it detail will be saved in this call log. And also we have the commitments like if he has some commitment like I will pay it on that day, so that thing will be saved in this model. Also, I have established a Redis database. What it does, like if some user has means the AI agent has called someone and they have been not be able to pick up, so then that their key will be stored in our Redis, and after some time, like after 15 minutes, this if the key will be present, the one more time call can be performed. So for that, I have used Redis to catch it in my this Redis storage. This is my Inya platform where I have built a system prompt. I have prepared the agent detail about its language and the description. I have also prepared the conversation flow, like I have prepared the dynamic message, which takes from the URL from my API. So our API was hosted on locally, so I have to make it available for public users. So what I did, I uses ngrok. What it does, it provides me a domain where I can able to publish my API on that, and for by which our this Inya platform will be able to communicate with our API. So this was the greeting message. Uh, this was my greeting message where the borrower ID, whatever for a particular borrower ID, like I have a borrower of, if I select this Harshit Choubey, so this was the object ID. So it was fetching this to get his detail. And then the greeting message will be there. If the greeting message from the API fails, so this is a fallback statement which will be told by the agent, some ending message. And the call transfer is also there. Like if we want to transfer to someone when there is some abusive or like that's something which is can't be understand by our agent, so they will say this, and the call will transfer to this number. We have a transcriber which help us to transcribe the text. LLM model as default it is was I have selected this Savita, and all the other things are same. So next I will first show my test. So what basically my API does, what it can handle two languages. It can handle all we know that Gnani.ai can handle multiple languages, but for this project I have only set up for what we say for English and Hindi. So if it will be English, so he will say something like this, and if he says Hindi, so it will be converted into Hindi language, and that will be handled by our API. So next, I will demonstrate one example first with English and then with Hindi. So my server is already started. This is the Fast API server which runs our servers, and we have the ngrok, which I told already, like it helps us to make our API public. And so now I will test it. I'll use the web base.
Hello, I'm a loan collection agent. Am I speaking with Harshit Choubey? नमस्ते, मैं एक लोन कलेक्शन एजेंट हूँ. क्या मैं हर्षित चौबे से बात कर रही हूँ? प्लीज से येस फॉर इंग्लिश या हिंदी में बात करने के लिए हिंदी बोलिए.
Yes.
Okay, Harshit. I understand you have an outstanding loan with us. Can you please confirm the last four digits of your account number?
I didn't remember what my loan account number was.
Okay, Harshit. No problem. Can you please confirm your date of birth for verification purposes? Please provide it in DDMMYYYY format.
19/7/2003.
I'm sorry, Harshit, I didn't quite catch that. Could you please repeat your date of birth in DDMMYYYI format? For example, 1/1/2000.
19/07/2003.
Thank you, Harshit. Just to confirm, is that 19/7/2003?
Yes.
Thank you for confirming, Harshit. I see an account under your name. The outstanding amount is 12,500 and the due date was 28/2/2026. Would you like to discuss payment options?
I will pay it later. I don't know how I'll pay it.
I understand, Harshit. We can work with you on this. To help me understand your situation better, could you tell me when you anticipate being able to make a payment? Even a rough estimate would be helpful.
I'll pay it by next week.
Okay, Harshit. So you anticipate making the payment by next week. To clarify, would that be by March 16th, 2026? Also, can you confirm if you would prefer a reminder call before that date?
No reminder call needed. I will pay it by 14th of March.
Excellent, Harshit. So you will make the payment by March 14th, 2026. I have noted that on your account. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's it.
Thank you for your time. We have noted your response and updated your account. Have a good day. Bye.
So after this is completed, the agent cut the calls and the response is set in our database. So now I will be testing with Hindi language.
Hello, I'm a loan collection agent. Am I speaking with Harshit Choubey? नमस्ते, मैं एक लोन कलेक्शन एजेंट हूँ. क्या मैं हर्षित चौबे से बात कर रही हूँ? प्लीज से येस फॉर इंग्लिश या हिंदी में बात करने के लिए हिंदी बोलिए.
Hindi.
नमस्ते. आपका कुल बकाया Rs12,500 है. क्या आप आज Rs5,000 का भुगतान कर सकते हैं?
नहीं, आज नहीं कर पाऊंगा.
कोई बात नहीं. क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि आप कब भुगतान कर पाएंगे?
ये मैंने अभी सोचा नहीं है.
ठीक है. क्या आप अगले हफ्ते भुगतान कर पाएंगे?
अगर मेरे पास पैसे आ जाएंगे तो मैं कर दूंगा.
ठीक है. कृपया मुझे बताएं कि क्या आपके पास पैसे आते हैं? यदि आप अगले सप्ताह तक भुगतान नहीं कर पाते हैं तो हमें एक समझौता योजना पर विचार करने की आवश्यकता होगी.
मेरे को नहीं पता क्या आप बात कर रहे हैं. सो मैं थोड़ा बिजी हूँ. कॉल कट कर.
समझ गया. मैं आपको एक अनुस्मारक भेज दूंगा. क्या आपके पास कोई सवाल है?
नहीं, मेरे पास कोई सवाल नहीं है. आप कॉल कट.
माफ कीजिए, मैं आपको परेशान कर रही हूँ. क्या मैं आपको बाद में कॉल कर सकती हूँ?
हाँ, कॉल मी लेटर.
ठीक है. आपका समय देने के लिए धन्यवाद. हमने आपके जवाब को नोट कर लिया है और आपके खाते को अपडेट कर दिया है. आपका दिन शुभ हो. बाय.
So as you can see, I have done with the two voices, first with the English and second in Hindi. In the first case, I told a specific date which I will say, so it was noted. And in the second case, I was not ready to to give the response because I felt, yeah, I didn't like, I was busy and I will not answer, so can you cut the call? So for that case, you can see in my Redis one uh, this string will be set in our Redis database. So this will be awaiting. So what it does after some time, again a callback can become. So this will not happen now because we are on a test user. So that was all about. If I can show my architecture also. So this was all the architecture overview. So we in the Inya platform, we have created some pre-call variable and a borrower ID. As I used to shown that with our borrower ID, it was fetching the user information. There was a conversational flow. There's a dynamic message of greeting and a language selection also, and LLM and action process message. And we have the post call action and the log. I didn't show you the my action. So this was to my action. This was my process message. What it does after each uh, res- uh, response given by the user, message was this the action was triggered and it was able to call to my this API. And after the call has ended, after this happens after the post call, it calls in our this API and help us to fetch our things in our database. So so this was all the actions I defined in the Inya platform. So this was the fast API backend, all this equals, and we have the Redis and the MongoDB, and this was all the tech stacks I have used for Python, FastAPI, MongoDB, Redis, and this was all the file directories as per the things. So this was all my demo for this assignment. Thank you so much.